20 in studio, I'm leaking the song, bitch. Straight Player Productions. Fat ass fucking up the thing. Say what's saying in the Bogart 4-5. Big head niggas. I'm leaking that motherfucking hush money.
Don't come off no info, bitch. I took her to the room. But as soon as I start to beat her, all I can think about this episode I seen on Cheetah. I don't really know this bitch. I think her name Rashida. She squirt on me, I skeet on her, and that just make us equal. Don't take around my people, but I pay her pussy lethal. She don't call my phone, I just text her when I need her. Baby mama think I'm chillin', drinking, smoking with the fellas. And that's just what I'm doing. As long as you don't tell her. I know I'm wrong, and I be feeling bad, but I paid for the cat, so it will come out the bag.